Good morning, students. Welcome to class 5 mathematics. Today we are continuing the chapter Smart Chart, and our today's topic is pie chart. So, what is the pie chart? You can see pie chart is this kind of chart which is a circular shape, and the entire circle is divided into some sectors. Here I have taken a pie chart. The number of students in a school in different grades. This shows the pie chart. You can see here grade 1 40 students, grade 2 45, grade 3 50, grade 4 45, grade 5 35 students. Now study the pie chart carefully and answer the questions. Some questions are there. We have to find out the answer based on the pie chart. Number 1, what is the total number of students in all these grades? So we can see here grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5. 5 grades. So what is the total number of students in all these grades? Grade 1 40. So 40 plus 45 plus 50 plus 45 plus 35, which is equals to 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 0 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 and 5, 1 is carry, 3 and 1 4 are 8, 8 and 5 13, 13 are 4 17, 17 plus 4 21. So 215 students. So what is the total number of students in all these grades? 215 students. Now question number 2. Which grade has least number of students? Which grade has least number of students? So we can see from here grade 1 40, grade 2 45, grade 3 50, grade 4 45, grade 5 35, which is the least. So which grade has least number of students? Grade 5. You write grade 5. Number 3, which grade has highest number of students? Which grade has highest number of students? So we can see grade 3 has highest number of students. So answer is grade 3. Next, number 4, which two grades have equal number of students? Which two grades have equal number of students? So we can see in grade 2 and grade 4 have equal number of students, which is 45. So which two grades have equal number of students? Grade 2 and grade 4. Next, number 5. Students of grade 3 is what fraction of total students in the school? Students of grade 3 is what fraction of total students in the school? Total students in the school we have got already 215, and grade 3 is 50. So students of grade 3 is what fraction of total student in the school? So grade 3 student 50 by 215. If you simplify, you will get 5 tens of 50 and 543 215. So your answer is 10 by 43. So students of grade 3 is what fraction of total students in the school? 10 by 43. Next, question number 6. Grade 4 students are what fraction of grade 3? Now grade 4 students 45 and grade 3 50. So grade 4 is what fraction of grade 3? 45 by 50. So 45 by 50, and this one equals to 9 by 10. 9 by 10. Next, if 1/5 of grade 5 students failed and could not go to next class, how many students were fail in grade 5? So 1/5 of grade 5 students. In grade 5, we can see there are 35 students. So 1/5 of 35 students. So 1/5 of 35. This equals to 1/5 into 35 students. So 5 sevens are 35. So this is 7 students. So if 1/5 of grade 5 students failed and could not go to next class, how many students were fail in grade 5? So 1 by 5 of 35, that is 7 students. Now number 8, half of the students of grade 1 went for picnic. Half of the students of grade 1 went for picnic. How many students went for picnic? Now in grade 1, you can see there are 40 students. So half of 40, that is students went for picnic equals to half into 40. So this one equals to, you will get 20 students. So how many students went for picnic? Half of the students of grade 1, that is 20 students went for picnic. So in this way, just follow the pie chart very carefully and solve all the problems. Now, it is your homework. Number of players in different sports is given below in a pie chart. You can see basketball 15, swimming 25, cricket 20, kho 25, tennis 15. Now students of grade 10 of a school participated in different sports. Study the pie chart carefully and answer the questions. In question number 1, how many students are there in all? Number 2, what fraction of total students are cricket players? Number 3, what fraction of total students are swimmers? Number 4, in which sports students participated more? Number 5, in which sports students participated less? Number 6, what fraction of students are basketball players? Number 7, cricket players are what fraction of kho players? Number 8, what fraction of total students are tennis players? What fraction of total students are tennis players? So, do this homework positively.